All right, you guys, here's page 4 of the review. Everybody's favorite, word problems. Mr. Udas needs to cross a square field that is 200 meters long on each side. Okay. In the field is a bull, very angry bull that does not want to share his field with Mr. Udas. Mr. Udas is 50 meters from point A on the field. He needs to get to the gate. So he's running here. The gate is at D, which is across field. The bull is standing at B, pawing the ground and snorting loudly. Once Mr. Udas enters the field and starts running to the gate, the bull takes off and heads for the same gate in order to teach Mr. Udas a lesson. Bulls head the same way. How far does Mr. Udas have to run to get to the gate? Well, since this was a square field, then this is a right triangle, and I know 2 out of the sides. That means Pythagorean theorem's the way to go. Do 50 squared plus 200 squared, and that will help me find out C. So I know 50 squared, 5 times 5 is 25, and 2 zeros. 2 times 2 is 4, and I would have 4 zeros. If I add those up, I'm going to have 42,500 meters, and I'll need to square root both sides. So let's find out what the square root of 42,500 is. It's about 206 meters about. How far does the bull have to go? So that's 200 and 200. So that's 40,000 plus 40,000, which is 80,000. I square root both sides. Now we're looking at 280, about 283 meters. Mr. Udas' sense of impending doom is making him run as fast as possibly can, which is 10 meters per second. All right, so if he's traveling at 10 meters per second, I can take 206 divided by 10 meters per second. See how many seconds it's going to take him. So 206 divided by 10 is about 20.6 seconds. Now for the bull, going a bit faster. We got 283 meters to travel, but he's moving at 14.5 meters per second. That division is going to take, hold on, I think I did that wrong. 283 divided by 14.5 is 19.5 seconds. Mr. Udas is in trouble. He is not going to make it. The bull's going to get there just before him. So this next one. John is working on a project. For this project, he has to trisect or split into 3 equal parts. Well, if this is -4 all the way to, that means we have 12 units. If I want to trisect it, divide that by 3, I need every 4 units. So this is, let's just say this is about 0, 4. Now I've trisected with each of these measurements being 4. From here to here, from here to here, and from here to here. It says, then find the midpoints of each of these segments. what are the coordinates of each? The midpoints would be in the middle here. If that's at -4 and 0, this midpoint would be at -2. This midpoint would be at halfway between 0 and 4, which is 2, and this midpoint would be halfway between 4 and 8, which is 6. -2, 2, and 6. That is page 4.